The Audi RS Q8 hasn't been officially unveiled yet, but already it's a record breaker. Packing 592 bhp, the high-riding, high-performance flagship has smashed the SUV lap record at Germany's fearsome Nürburgring with a time of 7 minutes 42.253 seconds, 12 seconds quicker than the previous benchmark set by the Mercedes-AMG GLC 63S. Based on the Q8, the RS model features the twin-turbocharged 4.0-litre V8 from the forthcoming RS6, which means it packs 592 bhp and 590 pound-feet, good for 0-62 miles per hour in 3.8 seconds and a 190 miles per hour maximum top speed. The Q8's air suspension and 48V anti-roll bars are carried over, but software tweaks mean the spring rates are up to 10% stiffer and the adaptive dampers can be around 15% firmer. Also used is the 4-wheel steering setup, plus the torque vectoring sport rear differential. However, extensive work has also been put into the bespoke Pirelli P0 tires, which run to 295/35 ZR23 in their largest guise on the RS Q8. We wanted the RS Q8 to be able to deliver on the track, but also be usable every day, said Victor Underberg, Audi Sports Head of Development. We needed a tire that's quiet, comfortable and can cope with all sorts of weather but has the performance to deliver a strong lap time. With this tire, we have achieved our targets.